Okay, tonight I brought a coworker with me again. I want to do a little side-by-side comparison between an impact driver and a drill. Driving screws. He's going to be using the DCF 787 with a 5 amp XR battery. I'll be using the DCD 777 with a 5 amp XR battery. My drill will be in speed 2 with the clutch set at 15. And we're both going to be using Wiha Terminator Blue T25 bits. And we're going to be driving these number 8 3-inch screws, 5 of them, into this wood.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Okay, you decide which one's more efficient.